In a move that may make the process unaffordable for many, a notice was published in the U.S. Federal Register to start a 12-month pilot program under which countries deemed to have high overstay rates and deficient internal document security controls could be required to post a bond of up to $15,000 when they apply for a visa. That works out to approximately $2 million Jamaican dollars. The move comes as the Trump administration moves to clamp down on illegal migrants. So what does this mean for Jamaicans? U.S. immigration attorney Wayne Goulding provided this assessment.
As far as Jamaica is concerned, Jamaica has not been placed on that list as far as we know. But this rule that's going to be put in place is quite discretionary. So things are fluid. They can change within the time period. It's a policy that's put in place by the administration. It's not a law that was passed in Congress per se, like the Big Beautiful Bill.
The Big Beautiful Bill currently includes a $250 fee for persons applying for a U.S. visa.